Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy tickets for Tomorrowland. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first thing what we need to do is head on over to the official website of Tomorrowland. So that's tomorrowland.com, and you're going to come to this page here. From here, we need to create an account. So on the top right hand corner of the page, it's got my account. Click onto that. Then from here, we need to put in our email address, password, and click sign in. But if you don't have an account, click onto the sign up button. So now you need your email address, password, confirm password. Also accept the terms here. And if you want to get marketing related communication about Tomorrowland related topics, check that box and click continue. Then from here, we need to create an account. So you need to put in fill out this form. So your first name, last name, suburb, nationality, preferred language, mobile number, date of birth, and make sure all the details are correct. So don't put any fake names because they will match this with your real ID when you enter. So be sure to make sure you got your proper name in here. Then after that, you should get a little box saying your registration was successful. You receive the application code in your email box. So just go to your emails, grab that activation code. So here it is here. Now click on the activate button. Make sure to activate your account too, just to make it easier and smooth it up so we can purchase these tickets. Alright, from here, log into your account, so put in your password and click sign in. Alright, so once you've done that, it's going to say welcome your name, and then we can see all the upcoming events. Now, we need to do a pre-registration. So Tomorrowland requires pre-registration before ticket sales open. So registration usually starts in early December for the following summer. Only people who register can enter the ticket sale. So I'm just over here in the sales info for Tomorrowland Brazil, and I'm just going to show you what this looks like. So they state here, so how to order your passes and packages. So step 1, ticket sale. So on the day of the ticket sale, go to your Tomorrowland account and click the enter shop button. Prepare for the sale by checking the different ticket types on the website before the sale starts to ensure you select the correct one during the sale. You can purchase up to 6 tickets per Tomorrowland account. Then from here, we need to verify your personal details and payment completion. So you must pay for your ticket at the time of purchase. Otherwise, your order will not be completed and your tickets will be available to purchase. Again, check in advance if your credit card limit is sufficient, and if necessary, contact your bank and credit card. They do have different payment methods. So if I go back to here, I'm back inside my account here. So where it says all events, for example, if I do this Tomorrowland and Dimitri Vegas, so they got ticket sales dates, all info about ticket sales, an important moment. So Tomorrowland and Dimitri Vegas and like Mike. So I'm going to click on buy now. So this is the process of how to pay for it. So we got different time slots here. So for this one, we got 27th August, 3rd of August, 10th, etc. So I'm just going to choose this one here. Click on buy tickets. Now it's going to take you to the checkout section, or how many tickets you want to get. So you got standard tickets, entry before 7 p.m, entry before 6 p.m. So now just go ahead and add as many tickets as you want. As stated before, you can only get up to about 6 tickets here. So if I want to do 6, I'll click 6. It can vary, you can order more depending where you are. All right, so I've got 6 tickets at £480. Now I want to go to checkout. Now we need to put our personal information here. So full name, last name, email, country, and then choose your payment option. So we got Ideal, Band Contact, Visa, and MasterCard. Now, if we scroll down, we've got refund protection. So it's a good thing if you want that peace of mind. So if you want to, yes, I want to use booking refund protection, including among other things, coronavirus cover, etc. And that's protecting my booking for another $40, or you don't really need it. Click on no, do not protect my purchase. Then from here, click on the pay, 600. Make sure to fill out all this stuff, and then put in your card details. Now there are a few tips to improve your chances. So register as soon as the registration opens. Try with multiple friends. Only one needs to get through the queue. Consider global journey if you don't mind paying more. It's the most secure way, and always act fast. Tickets usually sell out within minutes, so keep that in mind.